Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of login problem on the application of DuckDuckGo app. We click on settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. When above you will search about DuckDuckGo and you will click. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of DuckDuckGo. Then you can uninstall your app and you can uninstall it again to fix that problem. If it's not working with you can just update your app on Play Store. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.